Alright, hey guys, I've been gone for like a month, but, um, I don't know. So, I've been gone for a month, and I've been, like, building my own computer on the Newegg website. Not sponsored, by the way. Why on earth would I be sponsoring? Um, but, like, this is all the parts I'm gonna have, so probably around like this week or next week I'll have all the parts and make a video on my new PC build because I'm tired of gaming on this potato, this HP potato. It literally has an Intel Celeron and I'm getting really tired of the potato power. Um but anyways, here is my full cart. So this is what my new computer will be. And I also got a Assetto Corsa because I like like racing simulating, racing simulation. But I don't know what the heck happened to my case. But it was gonna be a Cooler Master TD300. So yeah, I'm really happy with the build currently that I'm gonna get. Pretty much balanced, and I'll make a video on my new computer that I built. So, alright, I'll see y'all somewhere like in 2 weeks, probably. Alright, goodbye.